Today, we're taking on a monumental challenge, mastering a $0 budget week. If the thought of not spending a penny for an entire week sounds impossible, stick around. Understanding a $0 budget. Week first, let's break down the concept of a $0 budget week. It's about challenging yourself to go an entire week without spending any money. That's right, not a single cent. This is more than just a money-saving exercise. It's a chance to reset your spending habits and evaluate your relationship with money. Ready to take the plunge? Here are the steps and tips to make this $0 week a resounding success. Tip 1. Pre-planning is key. Success starts with planning. Before your $0 week, make sure you have all the essentials. Think groceries, toiletries, and fuel. Also, let your friends and family know what your friends and family know what you're doing so they can support you. Tip 2. Meal prep and pantry usage. Next, meal prep like a pro. Take inventory of what's in your pantry and refrigerator. Craft meals around these ingredients. Use online recipe generators where you can input ingredients you have and receive recipe suggestions. Tip 3. Utilize free entertainment. Tip 3. Say yes to free entertainment. Local events, parks, libraries, and even free online courses can keep you entertained. Organize a potluck with friends. Host a movie night with family, or start that book you've been putting off. Tip 4. Opt for active transportation. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Fourth, let's get moving. Save on fuel by walking, cycling, or using public transportation if it's free. This is not just budget-friendly, but also a fantastic way to boost your health. Tip 5. Stay focused and be accountable. Tip 5. Focus and accountability. A $0 week can be tough, but stay committed. Share your challenge on social media or keep a journal of your journey. Engage others in the challenge and keep each other motivated. Tip 6. DIY coffee and snacks. 6. Become your own barista and snack chef. Instead of that store-bought latte, make coffee at home. Experiment with homemade snacks like popcorn, fruit salads, or dye granola bars. Tip 7. Tap into loyalty points and gift cards. Tip 7. If you absolutely must make a purchase, consider using loyalty points or gift cards you already have. It's not spending if you're using a gift card you forgot about, right? Tip 8. Barter with friends. Next up, let's go old school with bartering. Swap items or services with friends. Need a cup of sugar? Offer a neighbor some fresh garden veggies in exchange. Tip 9. Embrace minimalism. 9th, embrace minimalism. A $0 week is an excellent time to declutter. Sell or donate items you don't need. While you won't be making purchases this week, you can still make money by selling things online. Tip 10. Plan free fitness activities. Tip 10. Get fit for free. Skip the gym and try workouts at home or go for a run. Use free workout videos on YouTube or even create a home gym with household items. Tip 11. Be creative with leftovers. 11th, leftovers are your best friends. Reinvent them into new meals. Yesterday's grilled chicken can become today's chicken salad. Be creative. Tip 12. Mindful evaluation. Finally, remember to reflect. What did you learn? What was most challenging? What new habits will you incorporate into your life? Use these insights for future financial planning. Wow! Budget champions. We've covered a lot. Remember, a $0 week isn't about depriving yourself. It's about conscious consumption, creative problem solving, and redefining needs versus wants. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you excited to try a $0 budget week? Have you done it before? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in, Financial Warriors. We believe in your power to conquer your finances. Keep striving for financial freedom, and we'll see you in the next video.